Hello, welcome back to your Tuesday Tech Tip from the Kane County ROE. My name is Phil Morris, Director of Operations and Technology. This week, we're diving into the new option of adding your driver's license or passport to your Apple Wallet. This feature securely stores a verifiable encrypted digital version of your ID on your iPhone or Apple Watch, which can be presented to authorized readers like at a TSA checkpoint. Key benefits include your ID is always with your phone, reducing the number of physical items you need to carry. The digital ID is protected by your iPhone's security features like Face ID and Touch ID and stored in a secure space on the phone. You can choose to share only the necessary information, such as confirming you are over 21 without revealing your full date of birth. So, how do you add this ID to your Apple Wallet? Open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Tap the plus button in the top right corner. Select driver's license or state ID, or the corresponding passport option when available. Choose your state, in our case Illinois, from the list, and then scan the front and back of your physical ID when prompted by your iPhone's camera. You'll then be taking a selfie for identity verification with the issuing agency. You'll complete a series of facial or head movements for security and liveliness checks, and then your iPhone will securely transmit the data to the issuing authority for final verification. And once you're approved, your ID will appear in your Apple Wallet. Hopefully, this tip gives you an idea of the amazing potential of digital credentials. Currently, it really only works for TSA, but in other states, it has expanded further, and it is still highly recommended in Illinois for you to have your physical ID with you at all times. Please take a moment to like and share this on social media, and you can view all the Tuesday Tech Tips at knre.org/Tuesday Tech Tip.